Welcome to Bali, the kingdom of the gods. No building over 50 meters tall, which is the highest of a coconut tree, can be built on this island. But this place, the Bali Beach Hotel Sanur, has 10-story building. This is because it's a national cultural property completed in 1966 to promote tourism before the regulation was introduced in 1971. Recently, this hotel was reborn after 3 years of renovation. It was a difficult project because it was prohibited to modify the structure of the building according to preservation regulation. While keeping the historical value of the building, we had to meet rising standards of the guests. In particular, due to its location, it was very important to select the best air conditioning solution to control the cooling and the humidity.
Water chillers were already designed in the first drawings. However, through the numerous renovation projects we have experienced, we have been convinced that Samsung DVM is more suitable solution for this hotel. Chillers are great solution for large spaces and uniform cooling. But they are not the best solution for hotels consisting of various spaces, such as guest room, restaurant, fitness center, and convention center. I'm sure you have all had the experience of being cold in the hotel lobby, or feeling the heat in the fitness center or in the hallway. But in this hotel, you can feel the perfect comfort. 101 outdoor units and 716 indoor units are grouped into 55 systems and provide perfect customized cooling solution to space purposes and individual air conditioning needs.
Ducted types are operated in a lobby that require uniform cooling. 360 cassettes are operated in a fitness center that need powerful but even cooling. And wind-free one-way are operated in a spa where it requires soft cooling with direct wind. It's perfect customized cooling solution.
DVM also plays a big role in saving energy. Bali Beach Convention is one of the largest convention centers in Bali that can accommodate up to 4,000 people. In some cases, large events use all of this space. But in many cases, the space is divided and used according to the numbers of attendees. If there are many attendees, it is highly cool. And when the space is divided, it is cool only in the designated space. This can greatly reduce energy use.
For the last, what makes Samsung different from other air conditioning companies is that it can provide B2B integrated solutions. After selecting Samsung for our air conditioning partner, we also purchased a total of 447 Samsung Smart Hospitality TVs through the same contact point. From the initial consultation, design, installation to future maintenance repair, we can receive support through Samsung's single communication channel. This is a very attractive point for a hotel manager with a lot of management points.
It was an honor to participate in a project to renovate a historically meaningful space.
All the hotel guests having a wonderful, happy time. Our choice was right. Thank you, Samsung.